Hi Lena, could you begin by sharing the story of your fashion journey, highlighting key milestones, challenges, and any pivotal moments, including the startup of your consultancy firm?
Hello, I'm Leena. I'm a fashion business consultant and a growth strategist. I did my fashion designing from Hoskas New Delhi NIFT in 1993, and after honing my skills in different export house and buying offices in New Delhi, after that I launched my own fashion buying house in 2006. I decided here to work for the exclusive new budding designers. And why I took this decision, because once I had the dream to have my own fashion startup, and I couldn't do that simply because of the merchandising reason of suppliers requirement of 50 to 100 pieces per style MOQ. I couldn't afford it because it required a bigger amount of revenue budgeting, which was beyond my capacity. So I decided to bridge that gap for the new budding designers. And so after while merchandising for them, interacting with them, I kind of realized, when the way they used to write me the mail for their order, presenting the order, I started getting the feeling at what stage, whether they are very beginner designer or they are an expert, and I started giving them some tips and some tools and some advices, and I realized that it was being appreciated, and their reply was, "Oh, you are so professional." So I continued doing it for 8 to 10 years, and within 8 to 10 years time, I realized that I'm already consulting them. So while based on this interaction, based on merchandising for them, I realized that I'm delving deeper into their successes and their setbacks. I realized that I have got so much of knowledge and wisdom and the lessons through these designers, and I am sitting kind of a data, I'm sitting on a mine. So based on this, I launched my consultation company in 2016.
Any cost effective tips for women on a budget starting their fashion venture?
Most of the time, even if you start selling early, still for the bigger market reach, you need to constantly filling into the market to identify, to develop your market into one geography first, and then to the expand to the new one. Once you are settled in one, then another one. So initially revenue keep on going into their business itself.
Any advice for established designers eyeing international expansion in their business?
First thing, we need to figure out the collection, the USP brand, the niche what they are having. Is it the right fit for all three of them, or we should cater to any one of the any one of them? So we need to understand the consumer behavior. How do they purchase? What is their purchasing power? Where do they purchase? Their festivals, their social activities.